Every of your enemy will die after doing this assignment for 12 days with 12 candles. Every of your enemy, those enemy that doesn't want you to go far in life, that doesn't want you to progress in life, that is always plotting evil for you, they will all die after doing this assignment for 12 days with 12 candles, with 12 red candles. Okay. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can do that, how you can make that possible by doing it for 12 days with 12 red candles. Okay. So make sure you watch this video to an end. And if you are seeing this video for the first time, you are highly welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share this video so that other people will see this powerful teaching and learn something from it. Okay. If you want to terminate the life of those evil men and women around you, around your neighborhood, if you want to terminate their life, those people that is wishing you death, that is wishing you to suffer, that is wishing poverty to you, if you want to terminate them, you want to end their life, go to the market and buy red candle, 12 pieces, 12 pieces, and you are going to use it to do this powerful prayer for 12 nights. That's 12 days. You are going to use it to do this powerful prayer for 12 days. Okay. Now, when you buy this red candle, you are going to light up this candle by 1:30 a.m. Okay, 1:30 a.m. That is when you are going to light up this candle. That's 1:30 a.m. in the night. Okay, you light up this candle and start praying. Start praying. One of the candle, that is, you will light up one of the candle on the first day, 1:30 a.m. and you start praying. Start commanding the universe to come and answer your prayers. Okay, whoever that is your enemy, whoever that is doing spiritual against your progress, against your life, against your success, against your family, say your prayer, say your intention, command the universe, tell God in heaven to come and fight this battle for you. Okay, as that candle is burning, continue to be saying that prayer. Okay, after you must have finished saying that prayer, make sure when you are doing this prayer, you are not wearing anything slippers. You are going to go naked. Okay, stay inside your room and do this assignment. You are going to go naked. Don't wear anything on your body. Stay naked and do this assignment. Don't wear anything, shoes, slippers, or clothes. Stay naked and do this assignment. After saying that prayer, allow that candle to burn down that night. Okay, don't touch that candle again. Allow that candle to burn down. The second day, you repeat the process. Okay, the second day, you repeat the process with the second candle. Do this assignment for 12 days. 12 days with that 12 candle. 12 days with that 12 candle. After that 12 days, you will start hearing the news of things that will be going on in your neighborhood. If your enemies are around you, you will start hearing the news of things that will be happening to them. This is a very powerful spiritual assignment you can do. You are not going to wear anything clothes. You are not going to wear anything slippers as you are doing this assignment. And make sure you are doing it indoor. Don't do it outside. Make sure you are doing it inside your room. Okay? Make sure you are doing it inside your room. After that 12 days, you will start hearing the news that will be coming to you after doing this assignment. Okay, this is a very powerful spiritual assignment you can do to terminate any enemy that doesn't want you to progress in life. Okay, being it household enemy, any enemy at all will end after doing this spiritual assignment. Okay, so make sure you practice this tip that 12 days. Make sure you practice it that 12 days and you see the testimony that will come after doing it. If you have any question on this video, make use of the comment section. And if you have not subscribed, if you have not subscribed, hit that subscription button so that you'll be a member of this channel. And anytime a new video comes up, you'll be able to see it and you learn something that will help your spiritual life. Okay, life is spiritual. A lot of things are going on in the spiritual world. Some people are suffering today because of what the enemies have done to them spiritually. A lot of people travel outside the country and their enemy use charms and evil spell to remove their life and bring them back to their country, and they start suffering. A lot of things are going on in the spiritual world. So you need to be strong, you need to be spiritually alert, follow things up spiritually, and you see that you will be a winner, you will be a conqueror. Okay, so make sure you follow this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Okay, and if you have any question you want to ask, use the comment section. And if you want to talk to me, if you want us to discuss anything, use the WhatsApp number, chat me up on WhatsApp so that we will talk. Okay, so make sure you practice this and you see the testimony that will come after doing this assignment. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.